We're located at 81 Parkway, Spanish Town, Kingston. Trucks have everything from suspension, the cab parts, engine parts, everything for you. Right, we also say, sweet as if you look around.
Take what's rightfully mine. Take what's rightfully mine. You know me, you for cuckoo. I said this.
Peeps, yo, by LIG. Drive day. Yeah, man. Showcase the products that they have and give you guys some little interview. Yeah, man. Team LIG, you know. I asked the boss what service they provide and where they are located. So go ahead, boss.
Alright, so I'm Mr. Spence here at Louis Industrial Park. The sales advisor, sales representative. Yeah. Alright, so we're located at 81 Parkway, Spanish Town, Kingston. We sell a variety of items, both truck and car items, in terms of service items to the smaller vehicles and so forth. So the trucks have everything for the trucks. From suspension to cab parts, the engine parts, we have everything for you. Right, we also say, sweet as if you look around, we have a few items in the showcase, so you can ask me some questions, and if you see somewhere you like, you can always come on down and let me know what I want. May I see you?
Only for respect.
Every time.
That is it. Oh, and plyboard in a place, you know, man. Yes, man. Yes, I. Now we have father brains in our building, you know.
No, man. But they are representing the LIG, you know.
Which is right. Yes, man. Which is right. Showcase all back. how about the parts availability now?
So for ATL, this being his first commercial brand,
Yeah.
all parts basically would have to stock differently from most dealerships as a normal version.
Oh.
So for example, while you're buying a part for your car to carry to work,
Yeah.
we know that this is your work vehicle. So we have to ensure that you guys have the parts available. Down to a spring blade, which this vehicle can find.
Yeah.
So provide comfort. We want to ensure that you're no longer passing a week waiting on a part to fix your car forward.
Yeah.
So we have to ensure that the parts is stock for this vehicle.
Yeah. Alright, boss. Well, so you ready for this one, don't you?
No! Ready!
Some would just say, man, you want to the future, you know?
Future, huh?
Yes, man. Proper, man. Yeah, man, see you later, you know, man. One father, man.
Why all three friends in the one?
Oh, God, man. Talk at the town, man.